Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself and the right people will love the real you. Stay hopeful, you never know what tomorrow may bring. Trust it every time something far away, something beautiful is coming. When you see some beautiful in someone, tell them it may take seconds to say, but for them it would last a lifetime. Always remember that everything happened for a reason. It might not make sense now, but at the right time, it will. Don't promise when you are happy. Don't reply when you are angry. And don't decide when you are sad. Think good thoughts. Say nice things. Do good for others. Everything come back. Always remember that everything happened for a reason. It might not make sense now, but at the right time, it will. Sometimes when you lose, you find yourself. We try to hide our feelings, but we forget that our eyes speak. I am 100% confident that my mother's prayers have saved my life times than I can imagine. Reminder: be nice to yourself today. Success does not lie in results, but in efforts. Being the best is not so important. Doing the best is all the